Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Ford Fusion Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.